Have you ever faced issues with visually communicating your ideas? For example, have you searched for hours for images that properly capture your message or vision, still without finding a perfect match? Guess what? With the current state of AI and AI art generation technologies like Firefly, creating visuals tailored to your specific needs is no longer a barrier and now costs just a fraction of what it used to. And if you are a professional designer or artist, you will find out how Firefly can enhance your work process, from generating ideas for your artwork and their rapid prototyping to exploring new styles and techniques. And if you enjoy creative hobbies like art design or love to explore and try out different emerging technologies, Firefly is the perfect product to start with. Hello and welcome to the course on Adobe Firefly, a generative AI application for effortlessly creating and adjusting images and design elements through simple text instructions or prompts. My name is Anna and I'll be your instructor and mentor for the course. I am the head of product and lead instructor at Futureversity, an online learning platform for anyone who wants to learn the skills of the future today. By joining the course, you will get access to over 5 hours of HD video content, step-by-step tutorials and activities, a handbook with over 100 examples of how Firefly's style effects and your prompt description could influence the final output, and much more. We will begin by covering the key modules of Firefly, including creating a photorealistic image or illustration from scratch and with the reference image. We will also cover advanced techniques for designing and improving your prompts with tools such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Adobe Stock. And if you are curious about going deeper into AI technologies, there will be optional lectures where you will learn in detail how AI creates art. This course assumes absolutely no prior experience in AI art generation, or design. So if you are just starting your creative journey with AI, I will be there to support you all the way through the process. Please don't just take my word for it. Check out what my students had to say. And as always, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no reason to hesitate. Enroll now, and I'll see you inside.